Hello kids, good morning to all. So what we are going to learn today's lesson. So when we are at home, what we will do? We sit and watch time. We sit and watch television. We sit and doing our homework. We do just things which is make ourselves busy, right? So see what your mother will do. She cook for you. She will clean whole the house, right? She will make nice food for you, and she will iron your clothes. She wash the clothes, and she wash the dishes, right? And see what your father will do. Your father will help your mother, right? What other things he will do? He work for the whole day, right? Even he'll get all the grocery for you, right? So mother and father, right? They do things not only for us, not only for themselves, for everybody, right? So when you help your mother, how she feel? She feel good, right? So you should help your mother and even your father, right? You can do small things, right? Cleaning, right? You can give vegetables, you can wash them, you can gardening, you can watering plants, you can do many other things which is easy for you, right? So which you can make, right? So here are some things where the in Ramu's house there are many other house activities are going, right? So let's see what their families are doing. Okay, if you open page number 126, right? So you can see the pictures. This is Ramu's house. Observe the work done by the members of Ramu's house. See, if you see the first picture, what the person is doing there? He is watering the plants, right? See that second picture, what she is doing? Sister, right? So she is plucking, she is taking flowers. See the next picture. What is that? Combing. Your mother is combing her his sister's hair. See what the Ramu is doing? He is keeping the books, right? So here every family members are doing other activities, right? So here observe the pictures given above. Statements relating to the work in progress are given, right? Who are doing them in the space provided. Okay, see the first picture. What is that? Watering the plants. Who is that? Father. See the next picture. Picking flowers. Who is that? Sister. See the next picture. Combing hair. Who is that? Mother. See the last picture. Arranging books. brother. Right? So everybody here, every family members have took some work here. Right? Some is watering the plants, some picking the flowers, some combing hair, some arranging books. Right? So everybody has doing some work here. So see the next picture. Remember the activity that take place in your house from morning till night. Tell who does a particular work in your family. This is Mamata's house. Her father, mother, brother living here with her. Right? This picture shows the chores that are done in Mamata's house. See the first picture. What if you see the first picture, what mother is doing? She is cooking. And see the girl, sister, right? She is helping her mother. Even father helping mother in with cuttings vegetables, right? See the next picture. See, the girl is cleaning the cupboards. The boy is sweeping. Okay, now see the third picture. What they are doing? They are decorating the house. Here what they are doing here for the last picture, they are gardening. Okay, all the rest all are helping, right? So what chores are in progress in Mamata's house, right? So cooking, cleaning, right, decorating, and here gardening, right? Who is doing these chores, right? The father, mother, sister, and the brother. Think what happen if all the work is done by one person. Is it possible? No, right? So if we divide into many, if there are many other works, if we divide some works, then only it will be helpful, right? So it is easy to work. If all the work doing only one person, what will happen? Right? It's very difficult for the one person. It will be very heavy, right? So here, so it's very difficult to do all the work only one person. Name the chores that all the members of the family join together to do. Brother, sister, right? Mamata's mother, brother, sister, right? So they all working. What are the advantage of doing work together, right? It will be less, right? So if there is many things, if your mother has to cook, she has to cut, she has to wash, right? She has to do many things. It's very heavy for her, right? So if somebody is cutting vegetables, if somebody washing it, then it will be more easy, right? So here, so see the next exercise. Put right mark for the work you do at home. Cooking, cleaning toilets, rangoli, planting, cutting vegetables, right? So feeding animals, right? So washing clothes, or what happened? Cleaning, right? Sweeping. So everybody will do every work, right? So if we keep them clean, so it will be more helpful, right? So everybody should do their work. So we should divide all those work and we should do. Okay. So here, see the next one. Match the following pictures. So here, match the following pictures. Jaimini ma'am, Okay, so what you have to do? You have to put right mark where you work at home. If you do cooking, you can put right mark. If you helping in cleaning, you can put right mark. If you clean the toilets, you can put the right mark. The girls usually love to color, right? So if they helping in color or rangoli, you can put right mark. If you helping in gardening, yes, you can gardening or cutting vegetables, washing clothes, helping and feeding animals, or cleaning. If you do any of these works, you can put right mark in the given boxes, kids. Now see the next one. Okay, so see here, what is the next exercise is match the following pictures, right? So what we have to do? We have to mark and match the following. See the first picture, what is that? It's a father picture. What father can do? He is taking milk from cow, right? So here you can match with the first, third picture. Okay, see the mother. What the mother will do? What your mother will do? She will cook, right? So here you should match with the last picture where your mother cooking. See the third picture, brother. What the brother is doing? He is feeding animals. He is make the cow drink water here, right? So he is feeding animals. See the last picture, sister, right? So what the girl is doing? She is sweeping, right? So she is cleaning. So here with the first picture you should match. Okay, now enact the following. Okay, drawing water from the well. Okay, so just how you will taking water from the well? Like this. Okay, you have to enact watering plants, cutting wood, washing utensils, washing cloth, sweeping, cutting vegetable, plaiting hair. Okay, so these things we will do, right? So there is a small rhyme. My home is my temple too. And what a lovely it is, right? How is your house is like a temple. If you visit the temple, how it is, you feel so calm and you feel so, it is all around so clean, right? So even our house is like temple, so we should keep our house clean. Let us all work together to have a garden full of flowers. Save some time to be real happy, for we love each other dear, right? So we should always, what we have to do? We should always take care of each other and we should always help, right? So if there is any work which your mother is doing and which is very heavy, so what you can do? You should help your mother in that. If your father is doing, if he has many works, so you can take a small, you can ask your father, right? So shall I help you in any other work? So you will help elders, right? So here if you work, if you help them, what will happen? So for them the burden will be less. Okay, so you do many small things, right? So you should do all those things. Okay, so keep your house and surrounding clean and you should help all elders. Okay, so this is about today's class. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.